Look at him thrash. Look at him. Oh, he's like a salmon.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Team Handyman's The Master Angler. Sit back and spend the next few minutes taking in some of Southern Alberta's great scenery, as well as some of its best fishing as shown by one of its most experienced guides, Andy Vanderploeg.
Alright, we're back, and we're going to show you guys some winter fly fishing, spin casting, bait band, zero limit on the pike. Right back with Al, showing us how it's done. Alright, we got one on. Throwing a spinner on the old spin cast. We'll see if we can get him landed. You can see him down there coming in. Bad size pike. He's a good one. Finally, get one to bite. On to the next one. Just like that. Oh, there's another big one following me. He's looking, going home. Alright, there's a nice pike. I'm going to get him unreleased and back in the water. Just like that. Nice. Alright. We're back. Tried some out in the open water there. Now we're going to try some of the warmer water. Follow it in. You can see the fly. Look at it. Is that ever neat, eh? Alright, one's on the fly. Oh yeah. There's a nice one. Alright. There's a pretty pike. Nice. He inhaled it. Nice fish. All on a fly rod.
Probably ready to spawn. 3 spawns. This is 4.
Okay. Good enough. Good job. Alright, nice fish.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
Let's see the release. It's all zero limit pike on this river. And away you go. Nice.
Yeah, I watched him come up, bite the fly. It was awesome. I changed my fly because he wasn't biting the fly I had on, so I changed to a little smaller fly. And
yeah.
Bang. Right
got him. Good job.
Alright. Well, Al's out fly fishing. I thought I'd try a spoon. And we've been changing up because the fish are slow because of the fishing pressure. So we've had to add some flair to our lures. I'll show you what I mean by flair. Okay, what I've done is I've added a spoon on a steel wire with some good heavy fishing line, because you don't know, we're fishing in some tough conditions, so you need that tougher line, and we're fishing for whitefish and or pike. And look at that, I'm using single barbless hooks, and I've added them on a spoon, and it's just a tandem fly. And I've had to change up. And when I did that, it shows results. And keep in mind, everybody, this is a bait band fishery. We're just out having a good time. So we're going to let these fish go. Isn't that a nice one? I'm going to try not falling in here. Slippery. Look at that. Isn't that a beauty? All right. Now that's exciting. So instead of sitting on the couch and getting bored at home, get down to the river, to the bait band fishery, barbless hooks, add some flair, and even bring the fly rod. You'll have a lot of fun.
Alright, another one on. Alright. There's a nice one. Alright, look at that. Nice. Nice fish. Alright, nice one. Hey. The battle has begun. Nice one. There he goes, just like that.
I heard you had to touch him.
And they're gone. On to the next one.
Nice wire worm.
Nice.
And that's what I caught him.
Cool, let's get another one. Yep. More winter fly fishing for whitefish. Nice one. Pretty good. That's a big one. Battle zone. All right, another nice whitefish. He ain't no small one. That's a good one, eh? Just like that. Look at the size of that whitefish. See? It's a good one. Here he wants to take off, and there he goes. Good battle. On to the next one.
Yep.
All right, more fish in action. On the strip, eh? Wire worm, yeah, okay. Yeah, a little smaller than the last one. We'll see if we can get another one. Nice. Just like that. All right, another one on. End-to-end action, had a pike follow up. Al's working the fly rod. I'm working the spin cast. We're having end-to-end action, nothing but fish all day long. On to another lake whitefish. Look at them, just slamming them over here. And they're not small. Look at the scrap going on over here. Holy. He's just scrapping you. Where is he? There he is. He's coming into view. There's a nice fish. Here it is. Oh, and he slides away. Tough battle. All right, on to the next one. Whoa. Here, late February 2010. All right, I was teasing him several times while I was fly fishing. I was out there teasing this pike. Is that ever awesome? Look at that. Yeah, he came up several times. We've had nothing but end-to-end action, eh?
Oh yeah, it's been great.
Here, I'm going to land this here. Hold this.
I thought I'd try something again, just to get the change up going. Look at that. Got him on a red and white on a small woolly bugger, a woolly mother that I tied up. Purple. Just try not to fall in. Look at that. That's a nice fish. It's nothing huge, but I had him follow me up several times. And look at that. Just a simple little modification. I'm trying to keep my rigs more barbless, more snag free, and catching and releasing some nice pikes. I'm going to get them back in there and enjoying the day. Yeah, look at that. And there he goes, just like that. Nice. Thanks for watching. More fishing action after this.
A real nice pike. Got him on my spoon, red and white spoon with a fly tied on it. And remember, it's all bait band, so I got to get them released and back in the water real quick. Nice fish. What a way to finish the day. Caught a lot of fish.
Now either bring your own rods and
Sun up
tackle,
to sundown.
or spinner fly, or leave it to the master angler to set you up, as he has all
See
the
you guys
necessary
all
equipment
next
and gear
week
to get you out fishing.
Fishing with
Either
Eddie.
make sure you bring your camera so you can remember your trip of a lifetime with the master angler.